Welcome back! And it is the DMV Weave Doctor located right here in Bowie, Maryland. We are doing another hair loss transformation. This individual, she decided to find us online. She said that she was looking for someone that could give her a glueless install method. She was tired of trying to comb over her hair using all these different type of fillers in her hair so that she could conceal her alopecia. She had to do it every day, and it was such a tedious task, and it was taking a toll on her self-esteem. So right now we are applying the net. We're going to be using a harness from one of our local distributors, and this method is going to pretty much ensure that her unit does not shift around. That's a big major issue when you are trying to install alopecia units, is that it's a lot of shifting. And honey, look, child, look how that hair harness is sitting on that head, okay? All right? Don't play with the weed doctor, okay? So anyways, we are now applying the Got to Be gel because she still is going to use a lace front. It's a full lace front custom unit. Also right now, we are locking down the back side of the hair, the base of the hair, making sure that everything is nice and snug and fit. We don't want no shifting. All right, her wig will not be falling off in the when she goes outside, okay, from the wind. Now we are anchoring this bad boy down, and this is a task. I see a lot of people just adding a couple of little pricks and tips, trying to keep their wig down, okay. Now that might work for other different methods, but for an alopecian, you really have to go to work with some of these stitches. You need to make sure that you have a secure, different type of stitching when you're doing this type of alopecia install. All right, so now we are blowing her out with our T3 iron. We like how this adds a nice little sheen to the hair. And this is some of our Peruvian hair. Look how it's just shining and gleaming, okay? All right, honey. And this hair probably should last her probably anywhere from 10 months to a year. Now, if she did not wear it every day, it could last a little bit longer than that. But most of our clients, they like to install their units and keep them. And so we're just blowing it out, make sure that we get all the waves out the hair before we start the official styling process. Now we're doing the glueless attachment in the front with the Got to Be gel. All right, so we completed that. Now we're using this good old faithful flat iron from back in the day. Okay, the daggone pressing comb, the Mississippi pressing comb. All right, and that's just how the scalp is looking. We also did use HD lace for this. We didn't do too much bleaching. We wanted to keep it very natural. You know, but we did customize the hairline. All right, so now we're going to cut her hair. And we're going to give her some layers. This is a very, very important step when you're trying to, when you're wearing wigs and weave pieces. It is not advised to do a blunt cut or to do the traditional scissor or point cutting sometimes when you're doing these wigs. If not, it's going to leave with a lot of bulk. Also, we like to do razor cutting as well in conjunction with some of our different styling techniques. So some of the end results, the clients have a lot of body. Their hair just be flowing and bopping in that wind, okay? Can't nobody mess with our clients, okay? And this is a very popular technique that a lot of the girls are doing on Instagram. All right, now we're curling it with our T3 irons. Again, you guys know how I feel about this iron. It is just amazing. It gives a lot of natural body and actually sheen to the hair. Okay, so we have the pin curler. Let those curls cool off. This is how you get beautiful and voluminous curls. And baby, she's almost ready. Are y'all ready? Y'all ready? Ba-boo-da-ba-boo-bing. Okay. Look at my beautiful alopecia hair loss warrior, honey. Okay, ain't nobody gonna take me down. Nobody gonna hurt my pride. Oh, no. Okay. She got to keep on moving. Okay. Nobody gonna take her pride. The weed doctor is we trying to restore hairlines and confidence. Come on down to the DMV Weave Doctor located in Bowie, Maryland. We also ship our custom units internationally, and we are hair restoration and trichologists. We ship also products, and currently we're also offering our alopecia courses for those who want to learn how to do this service.